ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 68 Delete Queries. A delete query will delete a selected group of records from one or more tables. This could be run after an append query, for example, to remove all the updated records from the original table. Let's open the CIA database and start a new query in Design View. Add the prospective customers table to the query grid and then close the Add Tables dialog box. With the Design tab selected in the Query Type section, choose the Delete option. Add customer ref, company and status to the grid and specify the criteria in the status field as capital A. Click the Datasheet button to view the records that will be deleted. These are the same records that were appended to the Customer Details table in the last lesson. Any number of fields can be added to the grid to view exactly which records are selected, but it's always the whole record that will be deleted. OK, let's return to Design View and run the query. Click Yes to confirm the deletion, and then save the query as Delete Appended Records. And then close it. Open the Prospective Customers table. All the customers whose status was A have now been deleted. OK, if you close the table, save the database, and we'll be using this database in the next lesson. So we've now looked at append queries and delete queries. In the next lesson, we will discuss make table queries. OK, I hope this is making sense. I hope you're finding it useful, and I look forward to seeing you next time.